My name is Anderson Lee. I'm the general manager here at Porsche Centre Winnipeg. The Porsche Classic Restoration Competition is held every year by Porsche Canada. It's to celebrate the history of the brand, but also showcase some of the things that make the brand special and the heritage of the brand.
The Classic Restoration Challenge is a program set from Porsche. It is to take a vehicle and bring it back to as close to factory condition as possible. The challenge emphasizes the brand's dedication to maintaining classic vehicles, repairability, drivability, the ability to own a classic Porsche and still be able to drive it year-round.
Most car dealerships don't specifically necessarily do a lot of older car restoration type of work, and Porsche offers a lot of classic parts. They have good availability. So they are trying to encourage to get the dealers to do more of this type of work to showcase what they can do. Porsche does offer excellent classic car training. They're one of the few manufacturers, possibly the only manufacturer that does offer in-class training for classic car vehicles. We have the ability to repair and get these vehicles back on the road.
How we got involved was we were invited by Porsche Canada to be a part of the challenge, and we were more than happy to accept to showcase our local clients that we can repair, maintain, and restore classic model Porsches.
Trying to find a half-decent condition running classic Porsche for sale it's very difficult. Lots of these have been restored. Lots of them have been through too many previous owners, or lots of them are American, and we're really trying to find a Canadian gem. So once we found it, it was in Vancouver. We dealt just via email and some pictures, heard an audio file of the vehicle running, and that was it. The guy managed to ship it across the island to one of our Volkswagen affiliated stores, and then it was enclosed here.
We have a 1976 Targa 911S, 2.7 liter manual transmission car. It's going to need a lot of work to get it on the road, but the car is approaching, I guess, 50 years in age. So nothing surprising there. The good news is it is running in running condition. Not a lot of excessive oil leaks, so the engine itself and transmission are pretty much good to go here. We're going to obviously go over them, refresh them. The interior is a little worse for wear, but in not horrible condition by any means. But we are going to refresh the entire interior, get everything looking great. Suspension on the car, go over all of that. And again, refresh probably most of it. Tires are going to need to be replaced, and refinish the wheels, and obviously all the body work. All of the fasteners and screws for the body of the car are going to be replaced, as they are showing their age. Yeah, the car's looking great. It's going to need a lot of work, but that's why we're here to do it.
The Classic Restoration project for us represents a lot of things. Number one, we just opened our new store, and we have the facility and the capacity to now take on some more unique projects like this one, in case our local clients are wondering if we have the tools and the ability to do so. We've invested into training for our technicians, tools that we need to work on the vehicles, and again, being able to celebrate the original Porsches, the air-cooled Porsches.
We get the ability to go back and work on some vehicles that fortunately we're lucky to work on and still see.
The nostalgia is so embedded and so extreme with clients, right? And myself and everyone, right? I mean, not a lot of manufacturers can say that, so sometimes I can't even explain it, it's hard to explain. It is. I mean, you either get it or you don't, but I mean, it's kind of hard not to get it, right? So.
Some words of encouragement for my team who's going to be working on the vehicle. There will be challenges on this vehicle, being that it's older than a lot of my staff, but the reward that we get at the end when we see the completed project will be everything we need, and I think that'll be a really emotional moment for all of us here.